Hi guys, welcome back to one more video which I upload on weekly basis. So I have one good news to share with all of you. Recently I have won the Zerodha 60-day challenge. I have been trading from quite few days, but I really never took up the Zerodha 60-day challenge. Okay, you might ask me why my name is Mass.O over here. So as all of you know that I do work for one corporate company, plus I do day trading. Hence, to keep my identity safe in my office, I'm just hiding this name. So it's actually my name only. So as you can see, this is my account number DL0566. And this is my certificate which I have won. From the last 2 months, I tried to play the equity and FNO 60-day profitability challenge. So I have won this successfully from Zerodha. And what are the 4 main points I have won based on which I was able to win this? Where my risk management was in place. So I know daily 3000 is my max loss limit, and whatever trades I take, it is in that limit only. And based on my risk, I calculate my stop loss, or I keep it less than my entitled risk for the day, so that in case the risks hurdles somewhere around that point, I tend to stop trading for that day. And I have clear rules of entry and exit. I have 2-3 strategies which I strictly follow based on my charting scanner. So my entry and exit are pretty clear, and I strictly go by that strategy. And over the past 1 year or so, what I was able to do is I stopped taking revenge trades, and I follow my rules day in and day out, because of which I was able to achieve this particular feat. It does not mean that I only started being successful in the recent past, but I have been profitable over the last few years. But I just wanted to share this challenge which I have recently won with all of you. That's the reason why I'm recording this video. Now let's see the scripts which I have shortlisted for next week. Again, there is a disclaimer for this. I'm just sharing my views for educational purposes, and this channel or the content or myself is no way responsible for your profits and losses. Just take a note of these scripts and see how they move, so that as any of you, if you are new to markets and you are learning them, you can also pick and see what trend they give and what are the reasons that I have picked them. Okay, so I'm not going to go into the charts. So the scripts which are having a bullish view are escorts. Bullish means which have view towards the longer side, are for next week or escorts: Bharat Forge, Tata Communication and Dr. Reddy's. And stocks which are having the bearish trend for next week are DHFL, HDFC Bank and Hindustan Unilever. HDFC is not having a very great bearish trend compared to HDFC Bank. Mostly those two scripts move in tandem, but I have shortlisted only HDFC Bank. And if you ask me what's the simple strategy to trade for this is, whenever any of these stocks break the 20 moving average, these bullish stocks towards the upper side, try to take a long position and keep your SL somewhere below the 20 moving average. And similarly for the bearish stocks, whenever the stock breaks the 20 moving average, try to go short on these stocks and try to keep your SL somewhere above the 20 moving average, and please book your profits as per your greed. And also you can follow pivot lines. 20 moving average and pivots should be enough to trade these stocks and make a decent amount of money in intraday. If you're doing intraday on these stocks, I would recommend you to follow 5 minutes or 15 minutes charts, and with the 20 moving average and the pivots. In case you're trying to do swing trading on these stocks, you can follow 1 hour chart along with pivots and 20 moving average for the same list of stocks. Okay, so this is it from my side, and see you all with one more trading video sometime in the middle of the week or next week on how the performance of these stocks have been. And if you're a new subscriber or viewer to my channel, please follow this channel, like and subscribe this particular YouTube channel, and also do like our Facebook page, where do we publish content on regular basis. Thank you very much for watching, and all the best for the upcoming week.